So yes, so like we discussed till now, content writing, how it is important, why, how we should do these things we discussed, right? So when you're writing this content, how it will help us, right? We are coming from different backgrounds, different experiences and all, right? So how it will help us in a kind of benefit wise, right? How it will benefit us when you're learning all these things. Uh, Anyone want to answer? Nope. Okay, so this is where, okay, let me keep this page. How we going to use in our scenario is, of course, we'll be using for websites to write copywriting, right? We use for blogs, for social activities like that, right? But same time, we should be able to get some benefit as well, right? So how we are going to get that benefit, right? That's what we'll discuss now. So that's called affiliate marketing, guys. Okay, so content is not just for writing website, blog. So blog can be, yes, you can write for your personal opinion, you can share with people, all that we can do. But here, let us learn affiliate marketing, right? Once you learn how to write content, how to make it better, you will learn. Post that, where we use this for affiliate marketing, right? Whether it's a social media or website, blog, video, audio, right? Presentation, anything you create, where we use it is for affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is, what is it? Right? It's a simple marketing process where you refer a product, you recommend a product to people, so people will start following you back. Then when they start finding the value in that product, what you're recommending, right, the product owner will give you certain incentives, right? Maybe you're recommending, say, a water bottle. So you need not to manufacture this water bottle, right? Maybe you're explaining about the health benefits of using a like, say, a metal, or not the plastic ones. We should not use plastic ones, right? So health related, you're teaching something, then you can recommend this, maybe some kind of a steel bottles, right? That bottles you're recommending, or copper bottles you're recommending to people to use it, right? So when you're recommending that, you need not to worry about delivery, you need not to worry about technically, sorry, the faults or any complaints, cancellations, all these things, right? I'll just partner with a manufacturer, saying that, guys, I'll sell your product. Okay, whenever the sale happens, pay me something. Right? That's a process. In simple terms. Right now, how many people you can actually recommend and how many sales are getting converted? According to that, you'll get benefited. So now let us look at it little in depth, right? How this works. What are the benefits we are going to get? Okay. Now let us take a method. Now, for example, if I gave you, say, we got an offer saying that, okay, uh, guys, if you get some 1,000 people register with us today, you will get some incentive. Now, what people does, what methods they use? They'll start sending to people, right? They'll start sharing to people, sending to WhatsApp, forwards, Facebook, all that happens. There is one more called spamming, right? People will start spamming in the sense, how it is, like, I'll go to some YouTube video, maybe Ankababu launched a video about how to, in our Pro Digital Force, he created a nice video how to use WordPress, and he's explaining in Telugu. People will start following that video. Okay, there are a lot of people watching that video, giving likes and all. Now there's a person or me, what I'll do, I'll find out, okay, there's a video which is becoming popular, let me go and recommend my product there. Okay, there's no relation between what content he put there and my product. Okay, he's recommending a WordPress how to use WordPress and how to get better visitors, right? More visitors to your website. That's what he's covering in the subject. Now, out of the blue, I'll go there and I'll start recommending about this water bottle there. Because if I get more traffic, I'll get higher incentive, right? Is that a right method? No.
Yes.
Yes, Sriram, your question is yes or no?
My answer is yes only. Yes only.
Okay. See, it should not be the good practice. It is not a good practice, Sriram. Why? Because now someone is recommending, say, something else there, right? You're talking about WordPress there. Okay, technology related, Anka Babu is teaching there. Now, here there is a comment section, right? There are a lot of people commenting in his video. Now, instead of talking about WordPress, I went and talked about this water bottle here. Is that a right thing?
It's a irrelevant thing.
Sorry, Arun?
It is irrelevant.
It's not only irrelevant. It is not going to give us better, kind of, exposure. Why? Because it is called spamming basically, right? So I'll go to all the popular videos. I'll keep spamming there. Multiple times I'll keep pasting, multiple times, commenting in all the places and all, right? That will not give us a better traffic or anything. Maybe if you're putting some nice keyword there, attractive keyword, people might get attracted and click on it, right? But when they click on it, they'll identify the actual topic is WordPress, and this guy is talking about, marketing about some other product. People will start closing that page. So that will not actually convert into sales. Right, that's what people does. If you see your WhatsApp forwards and all, right, the moment they see something like, some shopping mall is offering some discounts and all, it might be fake or something, right? If you forward it, you will get discount like that. It will be mentioned. So people will start forwarding to everyone in their network. So that might be, some kind of spam is there, malware is there. No one sees it. The moment they see something like that, they forward to people, right? So we should not use these methods, right? There is a process, right? So let us take affiliate marketing as a process, not just like, okay, let me do something for time pass. Let's not get into that kind of a mindset. Why? Because if you can set up your pages properly, website properly, and if you're able to write things properly using content writing, right? And if you're understanding that social media management, what I just gave in a basic way last week, right? So if you can understand the value from there, we are going to use all those skills to actually make this process, right? So look at it as a one business process. Okay, just don't look at it as a one simple topic in our sessions, right? Why? Because if you can set this up right in proper way, I already gave you the examples, right? I already shown you a few platforms where people are making not just decent amount, right? They're making huge revenue there. How they are able to do that? Because they work for years consistently. So that's why they are able to. There are a lot of people, right? Like say more than 80% or 90% people fail in this method, right? Whether it is a content writing or why? Because people give up easily. They'll try for 2 months or 3 months and they say it is not working out, right? This process, how it works is you have to keep working and you have to keep fine tuning yourself, your content, right? How you are providing value. All this you have to keep working on it. Same time, you have to be consistent. Not like, you will do for 1 week and then say, I have a work, let me keep this aside, and you work on that particular thing. Then again come back after 1 month. By the time, maybe you given a good content today. First week you given a superb content. Right. So I started, so maybe 10 users have started following you. Now what you did, you got some busy, you say, Prakash, I have some other work. Let me skip this for next 3 weeks. So next month you came and again you given some content, right? Now in between what happens is that these 10 users who started looking at your content, they'll be looking for more information, right? Maybe you started with a part one. So I'm looking for part two. So in between what happened for next 1 month, you disappeared. Now you coming and giving part two here. right? So will I be waiting until 1 month for your content, or what will happen? Right? Someone else is actually explaining the same product. I will easily, simply, I'll go to that person, right? So the chance of coming back to you now is less. You guys getting it right?
Yes, yes. Yes, Prakash.
Okay, Sriram, right? So that's what you have to understand. So now affiliate marketing might sound, a little, what to say, complicated, or, things. And for few people, they say it is easy, right? So it's not either easy or it's not difficult, right? If you are consistent and if you're not giving up, we have to keep helping people. That's all. Then automatically you'll start getting followers, viewers, right? Google will start promoting you if you're having better value, better content with you. Then automatically what will happen? If 1,000 people are searching for some information, maybe in that 10 people will start coming to your website on that particular topic, right? So that's fine. Even one person is coming to you also, it should be fine for you initially, right? So the better content you're providing, then obviously this will keep increasing for you. So let us look at it as a process, not simple like what to say, simple topic or subject. Let us take it as a process, guys. Understand what is process, right? Now, if you're starting a business or if you're starting a, say you're starting a hotel, right? What you do? You will get up at so and so time. You'll reach there. You'll make things ready for customers to come, right? It's a business setup. Not like, okay, today is I'm not interested. Let me skip it today. Do you do that? If you're starting your own hotel, right? Any business as such, right? You might be opening a one t-shirt business store, right? So maybe you say, no, today I'm not in mood to go to the open the shop. You don't do that, right? You will be going every day sharp so and so time, opening the shop and be there for customer to come to you. Same way, we have to work on this affiliate marketing. Make it as a process. Okay, make it as a process. And let us build a system here. Right? Hope you guys are understanding it. Make it as a process and build it as a system. So that tomorrow, after working for say 1 year, 2 years down the line, what it should happen is this system should start working for us. Right? And guys, please understand there is nothing called shortcut here, right? Or we will get overnight huge revenue here. Please understand this. It is not a short form. In a shortcut in the sense, like I told you, right? Using spamming users, like, putting in comments saying that, buy this product and all. You might have seen, right? Any kind of, if you're watching a video or something, people will keep commenting some unnecessary information there. Click on this link, make money online, double your amount in 24 hours. Like this, people will keep spamming, right? So that is not the right way. Okay, so please don't look at that shortcuts or don't think that we are going to make it overnight. If you start working for 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 1 month, then you keep improving yourself. Okay, 1 second, guys. Yeah, sorry, guys. Right, so there is no shortcuts. We should not be using shortcuts, or we should not think that okay, we are making it within a week, we'll make huge revenue and all. Not like that, right? Once we start working consistently, and we have to fine tune that. how people are, responding to your blogs, how people are commenting, right? We have to see that. If people are, it's not reachable, we have to take that analyzation, right? What time, what kind of crowd is coming to your website? We have to look at that. Then according to that, we have to prepare content according to that, right? Not like when people are reaching, like say, if age group is coming one set of age group, and if you're preparing different age group content, then people cannot connect to you, right? So all this we'll be learning it, right? So we are not doing the day one we are becoming an expert or something. While practicing, you will learn, right? So same way. uh, yes, so no shortcuts, nothing like that, right? Then how we actually can become an affiliate? There are two methods. One is, we will, we will go and partner with the company, right? Say, there are many companies, right? If you go and partner with them, they will give us that kind of, authorization, saying that okay, you can start selling my product. Whenever there is a sale happens, we'll give you the incentive, right? That's what they'll. So they actually give you one portal where you'll be able to see, okay, this is the product I have to sell, and they'll give you a unique link for that. So one is a company partner with a, let us look at the methods. So one is partnering with a company. So how this works? Now, if you partner with a company called XYZ, right? They will give you a portal where you'll be able to see, right? Where you'll be able to see how many people are clicking on that link. It's a portal access, right? You'll get a separate credential for this. Now, it will generate one unique link for you here. So maybe today they're giving 20% discount. So 20% link, you'll get your own link, right? So this link you will take it and then you will publish it using Hootsuite, Publer, or any tool you want, and you will write one good content and you will start publishing it everywhere. So people will start finding that, and when they click on that link, this portal you'll be able to track it, saying that okay, from WhatsApp or from Facebook, you got these many clicks. Okay, 60 clicks. Maybe Twitter, you got some 100 clicks. Like this, you'll be able to get some data, and seeing the data, you'll be able to analyze. Okay, fine. Now, in these 60 people clicked on it, how many people bought it? It matters, right? This company will not pay you by just clicking on the link. They'll pay you when the sale converts, right? That's what you have to see. So you'll get a portal where you'll be able to see what all, how many people are clicking on it. So that is provided by whom? This particular company, right? Once it is approved, they'll provide that. Okay, so one example would be, I shown you last time, right? If you go to this, see, when you become an affiliate, you have to apply for this program. When you apply for this, what happens? They'll go through your process. That means you have to present your website, your actual traffic, how much traffic you're getting. All this you have to provide to them, right? Okay. So, some places they'll take like this, and some places it is very easy. Like if you take Amazon.in, right? It is very easy. Okay, they'll give you first approval, then they'll actually, okay, they'll not approve it, they'll activate your account, but they'll not approve. Why? Because there'll be some rules and all. You will learn that, of course. So that's how it works in Amazon. But here they'll go through your website, how much traffic you're getting, all that they'll go through. If everything looks good, then only they'll start recommending to people. I mean, they'll give you access to become a affiliate with this company. Then you'll get a dashboard for that where you'll be able to see like this. You will get your own links to, share with people. Right, guys? So this is one method. What is the second method? There is something called affiliate network, guys. Okay, so why affiliate network? In the first case, right, Now, how many companies you go and partner with continuously? Now, maybe see today you talk about phones if you take, right? So there is Nokia, LG, Samsung. Now, if I want to become affiliate with these companies, right, I have to approach each and every company, right? I have to go to Nokia and request them, guys, I want to become a partner with you guys, you know, like that. Then again, tomorrow I have to go to LG, then Samsung, right? I have to keep going to each and every person, right? But affiliate network, how it works is these all guys are, actually present in one particular platform. Okay. So if I have to sign up with this platform, right? I have to just do a one-time sign up with this platform. Then I'll be able to see all these guys in that platform itself. Okay. There is company called clickbank.com. Right. So this platform, what it does is it have like lot of other companies actually partner with them. See, they paid $4 billion, right? So if you become affiliate with these guys, what will happen is you get an opportunity of some thousands of products altogether. Okay, so these products will be starting from all the subjects like okay, maybe let me take cell. There are two things right here. There is promote and there is sell. That means if you are a product owner, right, you that water bottle, right, you are manufacturing that water bottle. Now you don't want to go and start giving to every person, right? Then what you can do is you can go and partner with this platform. Now this platform will give an opportunity for you to market the products using the affiliate who is registered on this website. That means I am already registered on this website as a as affiliate marketer, right? The moment you come and put your product there, now I can go and sell your product directly to the consumers. You'll just put a standard saying that how much commission you are actually going to pay. Maybe it's a 5%, 10%, 20%, depending on the product, right? You'll put some kind of incentive amount there. If I look at that and if I liking the product, okay, and your product presentation is good, you made nice videos for promoting that, right? So what I can do, I can start using that product and go to people and say, this is what product which these guys are offering and it has these many benefits, right? So what will happen? People will start clicking on that, and if 10 clicks happens and 2 sales happens, that 2 sales is in my account, right? You have to pay me. Okay, Prakash, you done 2 sales, so this is what your incentive is. That all is managed in this one single platform. Either it is for the promoting or for selling, for both. Right. So this is having so many products, thousands of products, maybe. Okay. So okay, I don't see products here. Okay. See, this company is paying like this, right? I mean, energy surveil political list, some kind of products. There are so many products. Uh, okay, QuickBooks University, QuickBooks, right? Like Tally. So they're giving, video classes, right? So it is costing around stats. Let me take. Okay, so it has a lot of information. I'll be briefing you on that. Look at this. They're going to rebill. That means if the product is got sold, how many, again and again, how many times they're buying. This is in what health and fitness. Not finding multiple categories here. Health and fitness. See, this is e-business and marketing, right? I'm not sure if you guys are able to see the screen. So here, actually, there's a health and fitness, there's a e-business, there's a cooking. So 3 categories are there, right? So multiple topics they have and multiple, products, right? So it doesn't matter which topic you are good at or which topic you are interested in. Maybe if you say, Prakash, I want to sell courses on photography. You are good at making, nice clicks. So we can find something related to photography and we can start recommending that. Right. So people already created a lot of courses and all. We can start reselling that. Right. By giving some basic information from your side, but more information from these guys. So your, that headache, right? Like creating the content, all that will reduce for you. And we can start using their content. They might have created some nice videos and all. We'll start showcasing that. All that methods we use, right? This is called affiliate network. So one is partnering with a company and becoming a particular brand affiliate, right? And when you partner with the affiliate network, you will be getting a lot of products in front of you. Okay, so if you picked a niche, right? Yesterday, Sriram asked a question: do we need to pick up in one particular category? Yes, if you can pick a particular category, that's well and good. If not, no problem, right? There are like thousands of options are there. You start working on that. Maybe today you started teaching about customer service, right? But tomorrow people are, finding the good quality content from you. They'll ask you, sir, can you teach about the one different particular topic? If you're interested in that, you can start teaching that topic, right? So don't limit your imagination or anything. Start, thinking all these aspects. Now I think it's already 8:30, so let's close the session now. So affiliate marketing is what we actually going to discuss for today and tomorrow maybe. Okay, so we learned about content, why that content is so valued for us, right? This is what it is. What kind of revenue we can make, all that we'll be learning maybe next segments, right? Fine, guys. So it's already 8:30. Thank you so much. Any questions, guys?
Thank you.
No.
Yes.
No, Prakash.
Okay, Sriram. Done. Then I'll see you guys in the evening. But what are the topics we discussed, right? The tools and all. Please go through that. Give me some kind of clarity in the evening. Fine. I'll see you in the evening.
In Amazon, to become an affiliate marketing, should we have any websites or any individual can do it?
It is better if you have a website, Arun.
Uh-huh.
We'll be discussing that. Okay, normally you don't need to have a website
Okay,
if you ask, but you should have that kind of, followers with you.
because suppose if I write any blog in Blogger or something,
Uh-huh.
there I give this link of this product which is
Yes, you could do
selling
that.
in Amazon.
Yes, you can do that. You can do that. But in the blogger and all, you will not have a control,
Mhm.
right? Like say tomorrow, maybe today you're teaching about photography, right? So you can
Yeah.
go with Amazon, you can start promoting that particular products. But tomorrow, if you start getting like say every day you're getting some good amount, like 5,000 views, you're getting. If you wanted to advertise that other places, some space and all, if you want to advertise, you will not get
Mhm.
the complete control. You have to
Okay.
use only Google products only there. Like the Google have something called Google AdSense, right? You have
Yeah.
to use only that. But if you want to use your own or different ad platforms there you will not have a control.
Okay.
That's all. But yes, it's not mandatory that you have to have a domain or you have to have a website. Even without Blogger also you can become an affiliate.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so there is methods, right? So we'll discuss that. We'll discuss that.
Okay.
Fine. Fine, guys. I'll see you guys in the evening. Have a great day.
Fine. Thank you. Thank you, Prakash.
Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye. Bye-bye.